with the work. I can't put a patty on a bun with lettuce, cheese, onions, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, pickles, and top bun together in that order.
Well, the yellow motherfucker that lives in a pineapple under the sea might have a few issues with getting a Krabby Patty made, but I shouldn't have any issues teaching you how to make one of your very own. Alright, what we're starting off with here is a third-pound patty of 80-20. If you want a little less fat, you can certainly go to 85-15, but I wouldn't go much above that just because with no fat, you got a crappy burger. And then you want to sprinkle a liberal amount of my all-purpose seasoning on it. And these are third-pound patties, so they will take a little bit to cook, about 4 to 5 minutes aside. Okay, time to give these burgers a flip and marvel at the crust you just made. Oh, by the way, I set this griddle for about 400. Remember, it's beef, so you want a high, hot, fast heat. Okay, there is one change I am going to make. Now, in the cartoon, SpongeBob just puts cheese on a, I guess, either pre-cooked patty or a cold patty. I'm not doing that. I'm melting the fucking cheese. Sorry, you little yellow bastard. I want my cheese melted. This wasn't specified one way or the other, but I'm gonna toast up the goddamn buns. Okay, let us start assembly of the Krabby Patty. First, we shall have our patties on our bottom buns. Once we got that, let us grab some lettuce. Believe it or not, I actually used romaine lettuce for this, and it turned out pretty good. You could certainly add iceberg or do whatever, but for this one, just, I don't know, maybe for the color or whatever, I went with a nice little romaine. Then we want to add a nice little tomato slice. These are beefsteak tomatoes, but you can certainly use your favorite type of tomato. Then a little slice of onion ring on each burger. Finally, we'll add some pickles, because as I've stated several times on this program, a burger without pickles is absolute fucking garbage. Then we're going to drizzle on some mustard. This is a no frills, no fancy ass mustard, just regular yellow mustard. And then we will add the ketchup and then the top patty. And I guess we'll check in and see how close I got to SpongeBob's.
And put a patty on a bun with lettuce, cheese, onions, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, pickles, and top bun together in that order.
Fuck it, my order's better. And there you have it. That is the Krabby Patty from Dave's Cooking Show. Enjoy.